A recent study suggests that packing all your weekly exercise into 1 or 2 days, like a weekend warrior, can be just as beneficial as spreading it out over the week. Researchers found that the total amount of physical activity matters more than how often it's done. The study, part of the UK Biobank project, followed nearly 90,000 participants to assess the impact of exercise on long-term health. The results showed that people who crammed their weekly recommended exercise into the weekend had a lower risk of developing over 200 diseases, including heart conditions, diabetes, and mood disorders, compared to those who were inactive. Dr. Shaan Khurshid, a cardiologist leading the research, noted that what counts is the total volume of exercise, not the schedule. He emphasized that people should aim to meet recommended exercise guidelines in whatever way suits their lifestyle. The NHS advises 150 minutes of moderate or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise each week to maintain health. This study found that even just 1 or 2 workout sessions per week can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. The research, published in Circulation, categorized participants as either regular exercisers, who spread their activity throughout the week, or weekend warriors, who crammed exercise into a day or 2. Both groups saw similar health benefits, with weekend warriors experiencing a significantly lower risk for 264 conditions compared to inactive individuals. Regular exercisers showed comparable advantages, particularly for heart-related illnesses like hypertension and diabetes. Previous studies have shown similar results, with research from 2017 and 2022 confirming that people who meet physical activity guidelines, whether through frequent or condensed workouts, are less likely to die from cardiovascular diseases or cancer. While some argue that healthier people naturally exercise more, this study tried to control for that by excluding participants who developed health issues within 2 years of exercise monitoring. Khurshid believes that future research could explore whether intense, short bursts of activity can help more people meet exercise goals, as this approach may be more convenient. Experts, such as Dr. Leandro Rezende from the Federal University of São Paulo, agree that total exercise volume is key. For those already meeting weekly exercise recommendations, increasing the frequency could further boost health benefits. Nonetheless, this study offers promising news for people struggling to fit regular workouts into their busy schedules.